How to delete repost on TikTok. First of all, open and launch your TikTok application on your device. Now select the video where you want to delete the repost on TikTok. Suppose if I have reposted this particular video on TikTok, select the share button at bottom right corner of the screen, which is underneath the saved icon. Now on this section, you can easily see remove repost button at the bottom left corner of the screen. To delete the repost on TikTok, you simply need to select remove repost option and your repost will be deleted on your TikTok. So this was for the particular video. If you have a lot of video that you have reposted on TikTok, then what you need to do is simply go to your profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now on this section, you need to select the repost icon. And here, if you have a lot of reposted videos, you need to simply select any one of those, and like the previous video or the step, you need to select this share icon and select remove repost. Then your repost videos will be deleted on TikTok. So, that is how we delete reposts on TikTok. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.